Hey guys, we're live at 5:04 doing a Bobas stash battle here. I got 7 spots. We're going to go 6 rounds. Each round winner wins. Paste them in there, 1 through 7. Going to roll the... Nope, we don't need to roll the dice on this one. We can just get right to it. 6 rounds. Here we go. Force of habit. Ryan, round 1. Miguel, 2. Ryan, 3. Adam, 4. Nick in the top spot for round 5. And our last winner is Fred Montez. OVSRDK is our verification. There's our winners. I am done at 5:05. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and all of our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.